Bellwether has been expertly completing siding replacement, window replacement, and home exterior design in Summit County since 2017, making us well acquainted with the environmental needs and rustic beauty of mountain homes. Whether you are a full-time Summit County resident or a second homeowner with a mountain getaway, with our remote sales estimate and Colorado home exterior knowledge, we're the experts in siding replacement in Summit County. Mountain homes, and especially in Summit County, have a special rugged charm that yields to outdoor living and the natural beauty of mountain forests. Unfortunately, this means that mountain homes generally use materials like cedar wood siding, and that's not ideal for the Colorado climate. Summit County experiences more extreme seasons and seasonal weather elements than homes in the Denver area. Summit County winters bring snow and ice, even as the baking sun can create quick temperature shifts. These weather patterns take a toll on home exteriors, and they are hardest on wood siding and wood design elements. To avoid moisture damage and inefficient heating, we recommend James Hardie fiber cement siding to all of our Summit County customers. Fiber cement siding is the best siding product on the market for a Colorado mountain climate and will hold up in any weather without warping, softening, peeling, or cracking. Moving away from wood siding materials doesn't mean giving up on a rustic mountain style for your home in the Summit County forest. With fiber cement siding from James Hardie, you can still achieve the rustic design of a traditional mountain home because fiber cement siding is reinforced and crafted to mimic the grain of wood. Rocky Mountain homeowners can opt for fiber cement siding in wood tone, which finishes beautifully, presenting like wood grain in one of multiple colors or stain options. Beyond style and weather protection, Bellwether understands the biggest challenge of mountain living, the threat of wildfire. Summit County is among Colorado's high-risk communities for fire loss, so homeowners should harden their homes against the threat of wildfire. James Hardie fiber cement siding is the first step, and its grade A fire rating immediately shields the home exterior from spark and flame. We also are experts in window installation and offer double and triple paned windows which add fire protection. When you work with Bellwether on your Summit County home siding replacement, our respectful and professional team members are with you every step of the way. After an initial assessment, we provide our customers with a full proposal that includes the evaluation, recommendations, and how you can accomplish your design goals with siding products and windows aesthetically and functionally suited for your mountain home. When you sign a contract, we schedule immediately, navigating any permits and materials ordering so that you can relax and dream about your new home siding. Siding replacement isn't just about repairing damaged siding, and other siding contractors who don't understand the needs of mountain homes might not make recommendations based on local trends, needs, and climate. At Bellwether, we want to help create your dream mountain home, and this includes protection and beauty. In the mountain communities like Summit County, it's important to choose quality siding products that will stand up to the mountain weather and achieve your design goals. We have a long list of satisfied mountain area customers and can demonstrate our knowledge of mountain living, mountain home protection, and beautiful mountain home design. When you work with Bellwether for your Summit County home siding needs, you're choosing an expert team of locals who understand what a mountain home needs to be protected and beautiful for years to come.